I feel so a professional now all can. I didn't find a professionalism and I was doing a DSTV commission project. And when you're professional work, I left to come and do a great content on YouTube. And first, my knowledge and my expertise and my YouTube, Vivian Joto is doing very well. All the directing in you. I am so proud of my sister. On one the director drama film, on the director Yabasabasa. I even got the inspiration from KyekyeKu. KyekyeKu yeah a future. I also emulated the boy.
So who active tree, who active before charging the same man. Well, great people, yeah, Mamunya Kwaba, Poleeno Multimedia. The name still remains the Fresh Boy Papa J, the most wanted. And that's Master Kakra. Because one say I was a mystery. If you said I'm mystery, I won't say, but I know why I'm laughing right here. Yama Kwaba Bium, Mamika will say, Sabia or Kushemi, or Canada, or USA, now or UK. No person send this car any bag Ghana, Christmas, you see a Sunday bus for the Sika, you send your girls in this car near my menuska. But so, who transaction, download the Lemfi app. Lemfi say, first time a transaction, that's a will send it £250 and I say $250. Or the 30 account, £30, $30 account, into Sunday, 250. First time when you be there, download the app and this is here. Now Lemfi, MFB account. Name say, oh, send the will say promo code. Promo code and use Poleeno. 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 Now they are your promo code. And so Lemfi, person the kakra account. Or when you could the best rate on the money transfer market. And I feel almost charges be anyhow. So we'll send there no charges. Yeah, until she a free Lemfi any bit me highway. And on set. Oh, sha, my big sister. My big sister. Oh, how dream bruta. And then I have a channel. My am that benefit. Say ne meneno eba be di enkomo. Mo amonim dada. Why ye jumana che. Why ye jumana che. Papa. Very, very active. Because all active out him say the seriousness, everything is on point. Why ye jumana che well experienced. And then Awo Yaa, and eba be di enkomo on Poleeno Multimedia. Charlie mo mi ankoni ani awo emfanse cheso. Awo boko de.
Fresh boy Papa J.
Awo Yaa. But why fresh pa? Maybe you look fresh. Me who said so? Me say bia oba said so na bia you said that yourself, but who feels so you still look fresh.
E o fam kwa na mada.
Okay.
E radia.
Wadampo na wanim ni.
E radia dum ni akoma kan ni adwen fita.
Okay. You ga say nke banka bia wa ya anwon mo bi ni ade. Wo say yanka. Say e ba anwon nka me pass here no.
Me dofo. Me fantini oduane no anche da nya me den sa.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But I'm say man requested me ya mamodo. I will say next time everything about be there one more. Well, I say you didn't come much kakra. You didn't come I think say much early this year. Yeah.
And you did come who's still so gusu oh yeah juma kama. But more more set of actresses na mo ho na mo ye adwuma gidigidi na say wo me hu Matada Sare Vivian Jill mo pasa mo mi ansape ana mo na so ye bi na ye hu mo
yeah your channels na
like mo ye adwuma ne this time no ye hu mo no
mama Kali so ye adwuma
mama Kali kwai dey say fan say
yeah
but na mo so ho Martha Joyce and then Mavis Nana Mama Brown, she's there somehow, but more the most moya juma pa anytime ya click mo yenya mo hwemo.
I don't in the sense that if you are so sure boane or boane ho.
Okay.
Ebi a me interview bi a me ka say I don't be na di ma be do say.
Yeah.
Obi a metime free industry for like 8-10 years.
Yeah.
But there 4 years I'm starting juma. God has been awesome. I have been consistent.
Yeah.
So it's by the grace of God.
Grace of God.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm yana me nhwe ade obi ye. Ade be na me ya. Me jamidi.
Okay.
Me make mark. Eno na de bia ya me hwe.
Yeah.
Obo Vivian din. Yana say Kumawood ekofom. Kumawood call from no. You as a producer or a director or as an artist, you know. Then one gasa we to stay relevant. Vivian Lawrence started with Nabewa Mafia, no?
Yeah.
Low key. But on your vision, say why didn't na onye and to YouTube. And oh yeah, and also a farmer.
Yeah.
One time I'm a producer, be my friend Juma, and one time I died, be my friend Juma. But that's how we did likewise. Or share industry and from no. Or come out with a year indigenous or epic a year. You can say series, TV series. Say the new one call Probunina. This was started uploaded Nyantano from 3 years back on YouTube. I say in YouTube skits near there. Or no as an actress, no until I was a producer, I made Juma and Sana. My didi, and artist, you made Juma. And I say, be even director, I made Juma. Me free me relegation by, but oh, say YouTube and also. Fine, I'm on for a frame Juma. To me, but now Nipa na frame Juma. I have to also do something for myself. We started a channel now, it was vibrant. But every time be me want to say, as a Lucy steam.
Okay.
So why don't I sit back and find something innovative to do again? Nti obey mix only any share channels ni so nyina.
Yeah.
And maybe I set so. I was like, Master Obey. Yeah, English content. Master Obey was like, oh, na kumase for na DNT. I'm saying, well, me de minya, and you been a year.
Talking about that production, and that me busa wansem and waka. Me share say stories now. Oh yeah, now I said this time no. Kwaya say when o express who English language you know, I'm for a feel vibe no on that more.
Yeah.
Nti e hono man e be sa be fa na so e be brain so na wo be katwi no so na sa kwaya problem because adwuma ya working KyekyeKu adwuma very nice production.
Yeah.
I will read the comments positive ones and brofo wo Seslai and then Vanessa how amusi the English ne you know. So e say so obi ye adwuma na say English kwa de enkofa we ya no handle as a role no.
Make I share radio munyam say if you want to do an English a production of content in Kumasi, say budgets permitting kwande untimi time me.
Okay.
How say ade bia oni me no aye ni ye.
Yeah.
Make I say me started say me dey brofo ne frafa wo bobo ho.
Okay.
Na comments are started ba.
Positive comments?
No, negative.
Wow.
See, yeti Kumasi na wo katwi na wo ye wo ho abrofo sem.
Yeti Kumasi na wo
katwi na ya santifo na wo ye wo ho abrofo sem. Bobo yo bia na director bia o kan nipa sha. Ko because e bia wo eye me na me channel. But feedback na urban is negative, so stop. No say that bia wo feel free.
Okay.
If brofo na wo timi express on who here, go ahead because me afantini. Asante we say no, mintimi nka. Amanfo ka asante ebu be no. Ye all those ye wo medum de. But send asante ne be ka asante we say me mintimi nka na sa. All those so me asante me ka. But anto asante ni. And I am more comfortable say with English no so. Me ka asante definitely. Eye brofo ba be fra.
Yeah.
So they started even calling me the English lady way back and sana. Says KyekyeKu English content. And na ya dia na me pese me ye.
You name way back na
yes.
We enya na wan say the English.
Yeah, start adwuma so for miracle tab bro na na ye adwuma.
Yeah.
And sana ye nuanum concept party for by be sorry but me editwi ye you know. From the 2000 the year 2000 ye England Samuel Nyameche Reverend Kofa Nigerians ba. In my first production was a Ghanaian Nigerian collabo.
Wow.
It was shot in English.
This perception about Kumasi for more Kumasi na wo country, but we have University of Technology wo Kumasi here. We have Poleeno wo Kumasi here. Your schools wo Kumasi here. And your mind say who active crowd wo Kumasi na wo dey as a respect be no I don't know how to put it. As you who say as a we professionals visa.
My dear. Kumasi fosu ote brofo pa so brofo kan ye ne den.
Okay.
On say akra nipa ne nte brofo ka o de akra brofo ne be kasa ba Kumasi fo nye den. Ente sa na me kasa se bobo tie negative feedback na nka me brofo nka the Andrew say.
Okay.
Na ubi sa me say brofo nko na me be ka na. Me English both tree and English production. Okay. Me the say budget friendly to me nko budget friendly with me feel it to you nko dia. Me ba be ye. But say brofo na untimi nye brofo adwo e bia na role no emfata me. Yeah. Because acting there and a role behind the presence and a carry. E bia na sa role na e bia emfata me and I mean ntimi nye o hwe me ya me ntimi nye. But say me presence na be bo wadwuma nkwada ba be friend. Because you know, say I will deliver.
Yes, we know it, but what can I say? What can I say? Me try me near komechi. Me share other girls no more industry no. You can say Papa J be creative problem. Other girls no more industry no. Me need film one say. Yeah, pobi for movie I can bro for. Ni ehwe mu pa, me ehwe mu pa, hwan pa na ebetimi anya no.
The best before.
Sir, Vanessa de me say or expressing.
But it's a sorry sort before.
Benisasari. Okay.
And there are a couple of girls almost before.
Sir, girls need be over on time express almost and walk.
And I make or before but onka. I mean what me kind will be on before minimum.
Yeah.
And I mean kakran I do research.
Okay.
Where the be or what? Ebiana the British pronunciation is quite different from the American pronunciation. You compare the two.
Yeah.
Now what funny a benefit of speech patterns.
Okay.
Yes, I woke up from KyekyeKu. I am make up vocabs like I say. On in dictionary on my phone. I read a lot.
Yeah.
And I do research on the kind of words befitting me speech. It can say me speech patterns.
Okay.
So can you need them?
Who can speech patterns? Na me bisa say, a juma mo ya na mo camera for no. Is it scripted?
It is not scripted.
How? And how? Send them see collaborating. How do you do that?
Say direct amount scenario now. Now you cry the Awo Yaa there. Most of an scenario no money profo.
Okay.
But obi te say some power te profo pa obi we enough tea.
And so
on ka profo no mouse scenario da. Obi ka twi ma wa do profo aka.
Wow.
Yes one te profo.
What pa?
Baby am na no concept so. Some power te profo pa so one scenario. Obi ka na twi na wa ka no profo. But now you cry there. Ono at me ma scenario no in English nti. That na easier. So who nim how to go about it kana you get the idea of how to construct your statements. Debi ameka.
I see tuya more say if say camera phone kwana nye scripter. I see tuya more than that because you are using your gumption everything na all scripted scenario near the amount.
My dear, even if it's scripted, na nye say the director wants you to say it word by word. There are some scripts.
Okay.
One show ya, wa be start to say your corrections. You have to, get the essence of the dialogue to fit your own speech patterns.
Yeah.
O can say an ebe yede. O can say an ebe wo mama because you say me say nyepe.
Yeah.
Where offers to call profile it different.
Yeah.
Take Vanessa for instance. Vanessa come for as what America.
Yeah.
Be minister to nation.
Okay.
Minister has sent no.
Yeah.
Me ka ko for profile. Vanessa ska JJ profile.
Okay.
I say your speech patterns here different.
Yeah.
Wo bia ko offers to kind of profile. And na dey be am ka say English adwuma no e din chen twi. Twi dey so bi ate.
Yeah.
Ube ka bu mu be rese amasem no. I want say when ya the real the context of a statement no na bofone. Na bofone kra no say ya ube prolong scene ne kra ma na boa YouTube for. Because YouTube the minutes.
Yeah.
How to ad lib and
synchronizing yamana the body language. I want to because I say
presence.
Yeah.
Because the presence I'll use when shooting at the village will not be the same presence.
Yeah.
I'll use when shooting an apartment or a movie shot in a mansion.
You have that way as well.
Yes, the presence you have presence a part of acting.
Yeah.
Or body language, the presence you feel in every environment.
Village
you portray in every environment. Yes.
Okay.
And get me say we didn't who say sikeni.
Especially we catch them say Bella Samade or you movie no quite crash and feeling no the person anytime
and then the presence now make
Okay. You are working more a good job for now. But some people still that kind of respect and from my YouTube.
What is YouTube?
I don't know. Said the last time Obi can say join YouTube, you know, a ball even before
that is Kwame Balfour's opinion. If Balfour feels he's a professional that he claims, Rome was not built in a day. If Balfour feels he's a professional now or kana, a dying sino dakro.
Okay.
So what I say, Adena say no na ye. I don't know find a professionalism and than to talk against it. Like I said, I was doing a DSTV commission project. And when you're professional work.
Yeah.
I left to come and do a create content on YouTube. Man first my knowledge and my expertise and find my YouTube ama mo anya mo fe. Take Ruth Kadri for instance. Ruth Kadri is based in Asaba. Nigeria. Eba Asaba for na Lagos for no ne Enugu. Enugu for kwa so do muntimi nkasa ntia Asaba for papa but Lagos dey Abuja for no. Sebi mano da so menem ebu Asaba for say sebi omu ye nkrase for. Adwuma no omu ye local.
Okay.
But I listened to one of Ruth Kadri's interviews. Or say the fellow artist can be in Lagos and Abuja and be shooting content for Netflix or let's say DSTV.
Okay.
But onona mo say onim se ni twa no. Mon kind enka. Right now she's catching out big on YouTube. As I said, 4 months I'm taking an interview. No say when you're more than 2 billion naira.
Wow.
Who converted more than $2 million.
Yeah.
I catch it out on YouTube. And so maybe our Netflix back could be intimate maybe $1 million.
Yeah. So now it's about what the people like.
It's not even about what the people like. Once I because I started to make a phone, people were talking negative about it.
Yeah.
But I did yeah. Whichever profession you are in, whichever field you are engaged in, do it and do it. When you are on pekwana on pewasam no kwa, come to accept it.
Yeah. So who active tria, no active before. Charging it the same manner.
Maybe should be. Well, who can say I say brofun ye bre.
Mo bre. Enti na masan bara buza. Twi, who ka twi, no be ka before. They say me na me book you. You twa 2 movies. Baako ye twi, baako ye brofo. Twi bonko, ana brofo bonko. Adentia.
Say costumes are different. Presence is different.
Wow.
Diction is different.
Wow.
Ibia is different. Wow, what can you say as a brofo? So about set to what be hono. Abo say eh.
Me hubi.
So it's not the same.
The yes any problem. Say we could try we GC. I don't know where they was charge say.
Ejuma we say no. You cannot be too rigid. It's me ejuma crache. Obi timi approach you. It means that the person has the zeal to work.
Okay.
And it's keswa.
Yeah.
So what I say, it's all shama, such a good story.
I say.
And as such a potential director. That you may be asayana.
Yeah.
Sometimes we do consider and work with a person. But sebi you be a kwasi ebu. What na we do baby no. When you scan and refill.
Yeah.
But me, I believe say be come akoma bia no. E come akoma se me ya. Metimi ya adwuma krache.
Okay.
Na me ka se me nya so ebu a me bo no. Uhiam so abeba befa.
Yeah, and I love Branda Awo Yaa builder for now and send your all kind of. We person try English movie. Even Ghana now pesa teacher ni bia you come for our so we try no Accra so we try no Tamale so we try no bia you come for our because so share na juma perfect.
Let me use Sly as an example.
Yeah. Sly so
on say share ne stature and the presence na on share dey nya nipa
what is
say on e wo kuma
say it's a problem.
So yeah kuma say build acts en gumi nipa.
Was the last time me no share na me ka just say say na me ka say awo e probi o wachi obey baby sa e bia Vanessa but e bia na Vanessa 1 or 2 e bia ne hairstyle any nyama e bia robi ho ma en sheda en fete no but you obi ho a aside that e be hia na me fam pa me nya bi well Sly Bella Samoa
Bill
the days of Isaac Mwako Shapiro omunyina fi ho no guys na wo industry no for now young ones na ba no why na upe simbia e betimi afetin say the next Bella Samoa the next Sly utwe mu pa who say be
I say yeah na age no so kan Sly has the maturity and the expertise.
Okay.
He's been in the game for quite a while. You call mom couple for sister na couple for.
But
age no who say any Sly na bill mo in true gauge.
But all build ba.
Or build ba. Inte bedu also bedu gauge.
Only Stana.
Take a Stain for instance.
Stain. Okay.
Vincent Osekofi.
Okay.
On a year own to me. Almost entertainment zone.
Stain,
that guy has this foreign presence.
Okay.
Or simple for.
Yeah.
So what I say, also want it different all year.
Few.
Uncle Fee is there.
Okay.
MOC than so is there.
Some guys be on my any experience in that about picking up from the
new
age,
grooming.
You grooming omo.
Aya na nye yenyawo. Hwe obefo bi se wotete no. Onya lime or atene limelight ba ko miena no fu se wawie. Obema obra ye kwa.
Don't you think say comic no so a problem? I say obi one man also building on say okay that way you know. But if you say my main for comic na say how I be see I building now. Don't you think say comic no so a problem?
Well, I cannot talk for anybody.
Okay.
But say nipa no nya comic artist na so be comic artist da. Say obepem. Ana meboa.
Yeah.
Me to ya many edin. Sometimes I relish say nka ye be casting obi a obrane ho asibi obi jojo na osu. But my creative side na ma obi feel say we ya ntimi nye. Ti say o say comic na na be ya to jiware ye pray say ye be dane ho. Aye bibi fofo na de o say comic when you comic na be comic. The ball is in your court.
So now tree bonko and English bonko. My mom first answer me to
you. Ena adwuma no so bre no so nko. Twi bi wo ha bra wo pebre no. Wo be charge kwa English no.
Okay.
Ewi be share be twu mi ka bi abetu akwa aba ne ntokwa bi wo be ko.
Yani Awo Yaa and Egusa ye dey common right on Poleeno Multimedia. And Awo the minister also nya botre because obe church on yememu ama what you say pa ama and common very interesting. Acting with Seslai, Vanessa, and then this girl, Spendy Love.
Yeah.
Stories are more. Who say the new one behind?
Yeah, secret.
Secret. What's the difference between pain and then secret? Because as an ending, you know, I saw something be like.
There's a vast difference. Even when I dropped our husband, people were complaining that it's a pain. Better our husband at a pain. Number one, I changed some of the characters.
Okay.
And number two, my relationship with KyekyeKu had changed.
Okay.
I took KyekyeKu as a sugar boy, whilst at that time, now I am a houseboy.
Yeah.
Offer secrets now. Instead of Sly hitting up on me, and I said, Minister, yeah, lovers, we are brother and sister. Okay. Just that characters, you know, we are gradually creating a niche for young Honakakrano. See, sometimes also a producer will sit down or a director will sit down. Can I take the risk to bring somebody else in? May I took the risk. This Spendler wasn't available. Vanessa was.
That's all production.
Our husband, you know.
Our husband.
Yes,
yeah,
I took the risk.
Channel.
Yes,
yeah.
I took the risk. Spendler wasn't available. Spendler wasn't available. Vanessa wasn't available. I brought 2 new characters, and the feedback was okay. Was very good.
Yeah. Yeah. Channel no channel
Jinyami TV.
Jinyami TV. So Ejume da ho CCI.
Our husband, you know, people are clamoring, or people are people are asking.
Clamoring near and I will be coming vocabs.
People are asking for the season 2.
And then clamoring was about asking.
For
yeah.
But there is an unfortunate twist. Whose apartments they call rent here.
Yeah.
But somebody has booked apartment for 3 months.
Wow. That same apartment.
That same apartment.
Also many
and I have other coins. That same apartment. I used morale. I used thing.
Yeah.
I used lie. I'll drop that and wait for the person to vacate the apartment. Definitely the season 2 will come.
Okay.
All my fans out there,
all
KyekyeKu's children who made our husband a hit. Many said nyamo pen men farm, but apartment I booked.
Okay.
For 3 or 4 months. Into Madam Roma. Me the new one, me new one maybe this week or next week. A circle of the seats. When me sumura.
Okay.
That KyekyeKu to continue sumura. Oh, say binana. Oh, can we have to say and say acquire the same cast. But this time was a Miss Master done no. Me can say KyekyeKu me using a Afranti me train KyekyeKu what to find.
Yeah.
I had to bring in another artist. That is morale.
And that guy is also doing good.
That guy is also doing good.
When I say because back in the days, I ejaku to choir now. Listening at 2 piano, and say obi ni honi se betimi yusu obi full say and also a bit me.
Maybe I will not wait. I want to work with
see,
any available.
From also the circles of what?
Circle of the seat.
And also your production. Who is directing?
925.
This 925 guy. I'm on for some running in I'm on for him a Juma who say, oh yeah, Juma, working with him as a director. 925.
I love all my directors.
Okay.
I love all my directors. But when it comes to this English stuff, a 925 is very good.
Oh, okay.
And I also know YouTube no.
Okay.
The way I see a treaty story for the YouTube market.
Okay. Okay.
So what I say.
Yeah.
I love working with him.
Yeah.
He's good.
Yeah, I've been on.
Okay, Abusa for more Canada, UK, and I say America. The only place I was all the send this car Ekofie Lemfi. Lemfi Oko Google Play Store and I say iOS Lemfi so you know is the promo code Poleeno Poleeno. Na say all the send this car now. The Lemfi be amount. They say first timer now send this car $250 and as £250 or bet you £30 and as $30. Umpe na up there. Na any just some kese pass. Ope apa omukita the best rate. Rate no was sure say yes, cano emodua. LM5, the only app so I'll send there a free until here because as a go for frame besame Poleeno besame send this can go fee na the easiest way meet me the IIN to me then. I'm just say Charlie, use LM5 yento. Use promo code no Poleeno Poleeno nefa send this car ekobo abusuafo. O send me ya reliable pa na abusuafo nsaka. Use LM5.
Set maybe was a onemo
I say eba obi a woni oyo. Eba English adwuma apartments adwuma ne stories eba live stories are a flow. You cannot take it from 9 to 5. Eba comics wa. You cannot take it from Bobo.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Eba comic content on YouTube. You cannot take it from Bobo. And because 9 to 5 story, live stories a flow, come on. The twist and turns, the suspense.
And a banner comics as well. Bobo. Oh, okay.
Some power so on it, yeah, oh yeah.
Sometimes I feel him when it comes to that epic ways. No, I love him that side. Oh, okay.
Yeah, make a Opia on it, yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Obaje says your baby is directing.
Wow.
And it's also nice to work with him.
Okay.
So Opia on it, yeah, oh yeah. Me Anna, yeah, my director is so almost because say why my director only na nicer. Better call more idea waiting interpreting ye. But most our cordial relationship now. Director, whatever open the saying, you say, oh, Vivian Jilto is doing very well. I'm not directing in you.
Yeah. Okay.
I am so proud of my sister.
I'm
not the director, Brahma. I'm not the director, Yabasabasa.
Wow.
Yeah, make what I say. Yes, 925 did not start as a director, but for him to have learned to get this far, no, it's a plus for him. My sister Vivian too is directing for herself. Yeah. This all has been created once in coming to be created. Maybe I say, what the scenario number, add it up.
That's all.
They are doing very well.
Yeah, yeah. But this time, who working at the UGC sets no more. I don't see you.
Many will be. I say many will be any problem. But maybe the answer will frame me and member. Many will be ejuma.
Yeah, flower. Sending our first name is yeah. We will have be our this time.
I guess will be in frame me. Ni na iska.
A bon idea. I will buy it. What should I want to boom? Say,
and yes, Nipa Wunya, Bibi Assessa.
Okay.
Oh, I said, yeah, Juma said me a coyable Juma.
But some person who say, I would do a Juma, and oh, Hana, by this time, no, more now, I said, a shift one side, big crack.
But remember, I'm the Bobon Quania Jumasa. It remember, I'm the virus on Quania Jumasa. It maybe say me na nkwa na ye adwuma sa enti asesa me de I am freelance.
Okay.
Oba I won pese me na ye adwuma me kwa akoye.
Okay.
Say me UGC adwuma o ya na mka say UGC for no UGC adwuma be 3 or 4 egumechi.
Okay.
I also they go with a schedule.
Yeah.
Enti me twen.
Yeah.
Baby am titi ho no. Papa je yanku gidigidi pepa.
Yeah.
Ade show frame adwuma me papa ye. Anya me adwuma na anya me sika na meje. Me sa we wa ha no In China classify mo say me wo UGC and I am freelance.
Everywhere.
Baby I be friend pia me ko. And you catch almost some friend me dwen wa fe me omo.
Okay.
Ti catch woman.
Na America say bia na America make because it's good to have faces like Awo Yaa ewo mu bia na good even upcoming ones no kwa hu a it helps them because only Awo Yaa na actor wo be boa ma de wo mu no aba more. No obi ka say the current trend of YouTube skits na ekos na nka sinikura gu ka Kumawood kura gu kura bobo na ka zasem I think a gu kura nka there is no bibia about movies kura Ghana.
My old producers they move with the times technologically. If you ask necessary, you know, I say Kumasi force you done you be.
Okay.
And almost I'm going to make a relegation, but by now YouTube now also.
Yeah.
To be any be and my expertise I'm to say, and I'm knowledge I'm to say more old Kumawood, you know, and I'm dear na me. They've also done well because Bobo say on also YouTube I nya da just pa. Yeah. On YouTube na ye. So nti efe be no enyo mo so na so mo a anka say go be try my TV station before adwuma na say DSTV before abefra adwuma that's producer be pon abefra adwuma nti omo aboa ye so ye boa ye ho.
Okay, so oni omo ya adwene say no
ka say at least they've kept things afloat. Yeah. Because me make free me fear me be say nye bobo ni YouTube ya say kam sa ko telefi. So they are doing well. He's done very well. Him for instance, he's done very well.
So where the much change that perception. Say make us say mo a good job now. Edumani bu mo ya pa. Yeah. But still people are still seeing say a banner yen side hand there a comic and
Rome was not built in a day. At least we are also trying to create change. Okay. We should comment in Libya. People are even comparing our content to Nigerians. Yeah. It's a start. It's a start. Oh, Petria, you were good. Me say, me channel no. And me try tree content. Okay. On say yes, I have people sebi. Omo permasem omo petri ni so. Yeah. And say maybe next week or in 2 weeks time I also put tree content on my channel. Okay. Tree no is good. Brofono is good. And baby I will pen. There are channels on him say we the brofono moka. We the tree no moka. Maybe your bar baby I benya biare. Tree your brofo. You pick up your preferred content, then you watch.
All right, yene Awo Yaa ene guswa edi enkomo but enkomo no I think say the vital part no menye ni nyina and Mamika will say UK o hwe me o Canada o hwe me o USA o hwe me a lemfi apaba eno na esi edi sandiska me nkofa babia sandiska enko babia so o pese unya babia be fast e convenient a unya problem bia na sandiska me koye da so gina so na pending pacho lemfi o download ya o de send ya pa kunkuro na dem lemfi so first time na say dollars na we send ya $250 or the $30 account £250 or the £30 account transaction now be sending so free until she rate is so it was very very attractive to use lemfi never ye ni nyina na bibia ntimi kokama emfa ema awo me do bury that little boy KyekyeKu me fence a little boy because oba game no ndu babia but uhwe adwuma akora ne eye na o hwe how o si eye na adwuma si fa de na obetimi aka de afa KyekyeKu as a young producer.
I said in one of my interviews I even got the inspiration from KyekyeKu. Wow. Na my dream home me dey to master be any but my mama in crying channel but KyekyeKu ye na I thought say a future no. I also emulated. The last Ejuma they used with 3 cameras.
Wow. Oh, okay.
Yes. So the boy knows what he wants and is in with all the passion, with all the vitality, with all the vibrancy. So what are we to do? We have to support him.
Okay.
Yes. And then no I didn't need back for Timo. Enya penny kwa nim nyanza. Enya nkwa na ba ne stubborn. So wo penny no koyo ho se me de me ye me. Na one take pointers be from nkwala na. Obegwa.
Yeah.
You goof.
Yeah.
So that boy is exceptional. He looks into the future.
Yeah.
And kudos to him.
Well, kudos to the boy KyekyeKu or Yaa Juma pa. I want me jamu ako na yasan ako to aso. I will be from. I would say who Yaa Juma also friend nearby.
Oh, for definitely.
Also friend nearby na.
Definitely.
Yeah, but viewers know who the also. Your channel, but so come once some channel for you. No more channel ni at the same.
My channel ni di Jinyami TV.
Jinyami TV.
But Awo Yaa TV beba. First na Awo Yaa TV.
Oh, okay.
And I'm changing called Jinyami TV. Awo Yaa TV beba. Ubo Jinyami TV beba. And my new content I'm be drop here. Circle of the Seats.
Okay.
Beba this week and our latest by next week. Right. And you see morale spend this line me. Stain. And also a banger.
Wow.
And you say, Brofon Kwan, a yebeka moi, upichin so. Yet in your megwaquem. I be a classic tree content at the amamu. And a year Christmassy. I always say I have a foundation. I used to be an alcoholic.
Yeah.
So I have a foundation for alcoholics. Let me start. Say, we be our turn someone 10 times. I will pay so jai, Sadriam. Na need us was or contact me. Acquire me first, so I mean, I am a fan with you. My channel is acquire. And moi, ever didn't so. Ama almost so and almost fan with you. I want to do something for them this Christmas. I want to do giveaways. Okay. I want all of us to meet together, eat and drink.
Okay.
So, my fans out there, your support is needed. Wa uhia mo apese ojayin sanom. Wa opese oboayen ema. Omo a se bi no mo ya kwarensafo a omatimi agyae. Ombetimi agina omo nan so wa abrabom anabronya ya ebei. Omo so benya nije kakra omo abrabom mo ntare hyem ne ade no. You can support. My numbers are 0277 395591. 0277.
Yango. Enti sa opesa oboa prisons na kona obetimi reach out na yeso bibia officer the support bia ofra ye beba ne ababaji. You can reach out to Miankasa 0243 876540 0243 876540 and I say Poleeno_com e social media platform no so bia no baby a wo bia na ye betimi ne wa adi nkomo na fe o de aba ye ko prisons akọ support mo ko ha chale enye easy ye ko ne o makodidi ene o ma di asa ayi bibia na so achichi o mo so every obi ho no ma wo de ka just 500 Ghana cedis o prison ye ko e man bi obi 1500 800 what them ko be 1 year so we want to say ye be boa sankofo no nyina ama mo so etime so as time goes on ye be di nkomo bebre e wo show no so e dey the fresh boy Papa J aha and I made it common basic password and a handle camera, a direct edit BB, executive producer Poleeno Ade Armstrong, all the way in the UK. On also shower all boy Juma Kama pa. Any name, my big sister Awo Yaa in the bedding come. How say I can be my name how be I mean Peko be I actually be since be I fancy I come bye.